Hello, my name is Manoj Havre. Uh, I'm from India. Now I am just uh, giving some what do you say that Pixel C software problem. I don't know software, hardware, anything problem to you. Introduce the problem with Pixel C. This is Pixel C, Google's tablet. First tablet completely made by Google, hardware and software. Okay, it's run on Marshmallows. Okay, this product is purchased uh, 2.5 months before from US, and I'm using it right now. Okay, okay. This is the battery is full charged. Okay, now it is switched off right now, so I will just power on the button and it will get start. Okay, you see an Google uh, name and it will start the marshmallow animation. uh, you can see that the same it will switch off and again it will be restarted. Okay, this is the second time. This is the third time. So multiple restarting process is happening. It is not getting on, and you are helpless, and you will not switch it off. Also, if you put power button, you press the power button till it will get switch off. Okay. Now you can just remove the power button. Then again it will get restarted. Okay, so there is no option to switch it off in this mode. So now you have to go to in boot menu, just press power button and volume down button. Okay. Uh, Now just press the power button and volume down button. You will get this boot window. So there you can have an turn off option, because in that menu you can only stop the restarting processes and it will get stopped. And if you not switch off the for tablet because of continuous restarting process, it will get heated up and you cannot touch after an 15 minutes. So if in case the continuous restarting process happen, if you go in boot menu and you can turn it off the device. Okay. While contacting Google support in US, they suggested troubleshooting option. So there is a third option, reboot into Android recovery menu. Go there and just press it out. It will again get restarted, and you can see this is the no command. Okay. Uh, okay. Now you have to just press power down and volume up button for the further menus. Okay, you will see there is reboot system option and any wipe off factory setting and factory reset. Now you go to the factory reset or wipe out cache partition. Okay, so I'm just wipe out cache partition. You just they will ask you this cannot be undo. So you do it is very carefully, and now I'm just pressing to yes. Okay, you will see that there is a message support appear that cache wipeout complete. Okay, now you have to just wipe data and factory reset uh, for that. And now I'm doing the factory reset. Okay, he is also asking it will not the undo. Then press yes. Then the complete formatting uh, process will go ahead. It will take some time to erase all the data, whatever in the tablet. This is the only troubleshooting method, so you can recover your tablet if this kind of a problem persists. And the Google support also suggest you this kind of instructions, and I have followed this instruction. So the wipeout data first, wipe out partition, and then wipe data and factory reset. That is the last option for the recovery or any problem persists to your tablet phone. Also, I will suggest that if you are purchasing from US and using it in another country like me, I'm using in this in India. They have not launched this product in some countries, so India is one of them. So while if you having problem in India, uh, the Indian Google technical support team will not entertain you, because this they say they will say you that they don't have any technical support regarding this product because they have not launched in India. So I'm facing the same problem in India, and they don't have any technical support where they do not launch Pixel C yet. And okay, it will take some more time to wiping out the data. You have to be patient. Don't press any button or anything. Okay, see, okay, this process is complete. It's showing that wiping data, formatting cache, data wipe complete. Okay, so again in the top there is an option reboot system. You have to just reboot the system, press power button. Okay, then again it will get started. Hope will actually now it has to be uh, normally it has to be normally get start. Okay, now you can see after factory reset and wipeout data, the again the same problem is coming with the Pixel C. Again it will get restarted, continuous restarting process, and it is very irritating actually. 2.5 months before I have just purchased this, and I am facing this problem. So it's a serious issue. So anybody is looking for the Pixel C, so please do consider this kind of a problem with the tablet. And Be careful about while purchasing this tablet, because Google doesn't have the solution, online solution for this problem. The last option is to you have to just replace this device, and the main issue is that if you are not in the country where they have the Google support for this product, that will be very frustrating job to you. To you have to go again that country and replace it. So I am facing the same problem. Uh, so it is for just for your information. Uh, my name is Manoj Havre. My email ID is manojhaware@gmail.com. So you can just write to me in case if you want any other information. And thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.